2, 1, go! Welcome to super awesome Lego builds up. And this is a castle, and it's really thick walled. And this is powered by a rubber band over here. And you pull it back, and it will do a lot of damage. Ooh. That's how powerful these are. Do not point these at. I'm about to show you how to build this. Now I want to show you how to make the Super Missile Launcher 1000. This is all the stuff that you need to make it. I would also recommend using the thicker kind of rubber bands. They're very thin types, but the thicker ones will give you more power. Also, the color doesn't really matter. It's more so the size, and a lot of the things in here were just things that I found and I used. This is what I used to make the bottom. I used this big flat thick platform with this, but really you don't have to really pay attention most to this. You can just really make a platform. This is also quite a large spinny piece. If you want to make it so it can spin around, you could just use the regular size ones. With that, let's start. What you need first is you need some of 2 by pretty much anything to make how long you want to make it. So you first start with one and you attach it to the other one. This. Also make sure that there's some extra so it can go to all of them. That'll be so nice to do. What you need with this to add to this is why you need it is it's so that these don't fall apart, because without this the only thing that would be holding it together is these smooth pieces that go across the middle, and that wouldn't do much. So now what you want to build is you want to build the part that's going to hold the rubber band, because if you just add like 2 Legos next to each other like this, it'll pinch it, but it'll also rip the Legos apart really easily. So what you want to do is you want to start with 2 2x1s, and what that means is that it's 2 this way and 1 that way. And you don't want this to be too long, or else it won't stretch all the way. There they are. You want to add some Lego bricks in the front right here, so when the rubber band is going forward with the missile or the Lego that you're launching, it doesn't fling off. Now you put the rubber band in here. Put the 4x4, small, not very thick, 4x4 onto this and squeeze it tight. Now that will hold it so when you pull it back, it won't fall out. And this reinforces these to help go together. You want to grab something like a 6x, whatever size you want. Because a lot of this is just choosing what it is. You don't, depending on where you are in the world, depends on what Legos you have available to you. Now you want to take a thin 2x4s and add them to this to get it a little bit more securely. Now you see it's starting to take shape. The next thing you want to do is you want to add some smooth pieces, because when you add the smooth pieces, that makes it so when, this is the pieces from the missile, when going down the barrel, it doesn't have to get bumped by these bumps, it would slow it down. So these. Whatever I use, you don't have to use exactly the same, just you need to get enough to get to the other end. And again, the color doesn't matter.
Try to use these to hold this together. This at the bottom. These at the bottom will show us good to hold it.
See, it looks a lot like it was before. Now what you want to do actually is this right here leans down a lot and it's pretty close to the ground. If you want, you can take an extra step, basically use some like 4x2s or to like cross in between each other, and now add it on. You want to get a lot of space behind it because the front is a lot heavier than this back part. And the next thing is you want to add your missile. So I have like these nose cone pieces. I don't know exactly where I got them. So all these Legos you are actually very old Legos. They're like 20 years old.
20 years old. 20 years old.
And what you want to do is that you want to grab these and put them together, some long pieces if you have anything similar like this, and you can actually change the speed and the damage that it does. The larger bullets tend to do more damage and hit a lot harder because they have more energy with them because they're bigger and heavier, but the smaller ones tend to fly faster. If you want to do this, it might tip forward, so you might want to add these. So you have like handles so you can like turn them. We're very close to being done. After you make the missile, now you are done. And you can, all you have to do is grab your missile, pull it, put it on the rubber band, pull it forward,
And fire.
there. You can also add these things instead of making a counterweight, because this is a little heavy right here, because it's very long. You can also stack these and make wheels so you can roll. 3, 2, 1. The guy died. Look at this. This is like a really tough. It's like a really tough wall, and it just moved it like nothing. Look at this. It's huge. 3, 2, 1. Fire. That's how. This is how powerful a rubber band can be with some Legos. Do not, and I repeat, do not point this at a person as you saw right there. For that reason. I hope you liked my video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and maybe hit the notification bell too. And thank you guys. Get creative with your designs like I did today. Catch you on the other side of the bricks. Bye.